Hi everyone, we are working in your December grammar packet. We're on page 3, so count over to the 3rd page. It should look like this. There's a couple presents in the top right hand corner with some lights, and the directions say underline idioms and circle the letter next to its meaning. An idiom, or it says read the underlined idiom and figure out its meaning. So idioms are phrases, it's figurative language that is an exaggeration and a funny way to explain something. So it's another way to say something in a different way. It's figurative language. And we talked about this in class. So let's go ahead and start. I'll do a few examples for you. Number 1, when my friend gave me the New Year's Eve invitation, I told him that I'd be there with bells on. If I'm going to go to a party and I'm saying that I'll be there with bells on, I don't actually mean I'm going to be wearing bells, but will I be excited to go? Will I really be wearing bells on my clothes, or am I speaking loudly there? So remember, an idiom is not what it actually says. So for sure, it does not mean I'm wearing bells. An idiom has a secret meaning, a hidden message. If I am going to a party and I have bells on, I am excited to go. So number 1 would be A. Number 2, Christmas comes but once a year, so make sure to do what you can to spread some Christmas spirit. Christmas comes but once a year. Does that mean it happens every single year? No. Does that mean it's a special time? Or is it an ordinary holiday? Definitely not an ordinary holiday. It's a special time. Number 3, kids agreeing to an 8 o'clock bedtime on a sleepover would be like turkeys voting for Christmas. Okay, so this one's funny. Remember, turkeys don't actually vote for Christmas, right? But it sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? Saying that kids being able to agree to go to 8 o'clock, a bedtime at 8 o'clock while you're having a sleepover, that doesn't sound like that's possible. And that's exactly what they say by using this idiom. It's like being able to get turkeys to vote for Christmas. It's just not possible. So it's not guaranteed to happen. It's something that would never happen, because that's what we find in the idiom here. Is the idiom is saying it's like turkeys voting for Christmas. That'll never happen. It'll never happen that kids agree to go to 8 o'clock bedtime on a sleepover. All right, you guys. So I want you to go to all of these underlined idioms and see if you can find the hidden meaning. All right? And we will go over this in class for a reward.